Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And are you ready to geek out about iOS 18? Apple just released the first developer beta and I have been playing around with it all day. In this video we are going to take a deep dive into all the new features, customizations and changes you can expect in this video. So whether you are a developer testing it out or just an iPhone enthusiast who want a sneak peek, grab your favorite drink and get comfy. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. iOS 18 beta is currently only available for developers. There will be a public beta coming out in July. But remember, developers' betas are only software versions. They can be buggy, crash unexpectedly, and drain your battery faster. So if you're installing it on your main device, be prepared for some bumps along the road. Alright, now on that setting stuff, let's talk about the biggest change in iOS 18 beta version, the home screen. Apple finally heard our pleas for customization and they have delivered in a big way. Here's how you can unleash your inner designer. Say goodbye to the rigid rows and the columns. Now you can drag and drop apps, icons anywhere on the home screen grid. Like if I want to change my VLC from anywhere, I can simply hold it and set it to anywhere I want. After this, our second feature is Color My World custom app icons. Tired of the same old app icons, iOS 18 lets you personalize them. You can choose from a variety of preset colors or even create custom tints to match your wallpaper or aesthetic. To do this, you have to simply tap and hold on your wallpaper or your screen. Now simply tap on Edit. Now tap on Customize. Now simply tap on Tint. And from here, you can simply customize your color. After this, our next feature is automatic dark mode or tint icons. Do you love the automatic switch between light and dark mode but wish your app's icons could adapt to? You can. Choose the automatic dark mode on your settings by simply going again on your home screen. Tap on Edit. Now tap on Customize. And from here you can simply select automatic or you can simply select the dark mode on your iPhone. Also, here's another feature added of small or large font of your icons. After these features, then our next feature is Control Center. Now you can simply personalize or customize your control center. The control center also gets a major upgrade in iOS 18. It's no longer in one size fits all solution. You can now completely customize it to fit your workflow. Here's how. Simply add, remove and rearrange. You consistently use the flashlight toggle but never touch the notes shortcut. So all you have to do is simply tap and hold on the screen and from here you can customize your icons on your control center. Or if you want to add more features, you can simply tap on it, add a control and from here you can select anything you want. After these features, our next feature is messaging gets a fun and functional boost. Now express yourself yourself with the emoji tap back. We all love using the thumbs up or heart tap back reaction. But what if you could react with an emoji? iOS 18 makes that reality. Now you can choose any emoji from your keyboard to use the tap back reaction, adding a whole new layer of expensive to your messages. After this, Apple also teased some exciting upcoming features for messages like improved search functionality and better messages organization. While there isn't available yet in the beta, they definitely have us excited to the final release. After this, then you have beyond the big three other cool features to look out for. While the home screen, control center, and messages get the spotlight, there are other cool features hidden throughout iOS 18. Our first feature is RCS messaging support. This might be a game changer for iPhone users with Android friends and family. iOS 18 finally supports RCS messaging, which means richer text messages with features like read receipt and typing indicators. No more wondering if you are a growing bubble, messages are getting delivered. After this, our another option is added that we can now simply set passcode or face ID for any app we want. To do this, you have to simply tap on the app you want. Simply tap and hold on it, like I am selecting Instagram. Now from here, you can simply tap on require Face ID, tap on require Face ID, or simply you can tap on hide and require Face ID. It's all up to you. After these options and features, then our next is a glimpse into the future, Apple Intelligence feature. Apple also hinted at some upcoming features powered by their Apple Intelligence technology. While these aren't available yet in the beta, they are worth mentioning. ChatGPT Intelligence. Rumors suggest that Apple might integrate ChatGPT, a powerful AI chatbot, into future iOS version. Imagine having a built-in assistant that can hold conversations, answer your questions in a comprehensive way, and even generate different creative text fonts. Remember, it's still a beta. It's important to remember that iOS 18 Beta 1 is just the first step. We can expect to see bug fixes, performance improvement, and potentially even new features added throughout the beta testing period before the official release in the fall. So there you have it. We have taken a deep dive into the exciting new features and changes coming to your iPhone with iOS Beta 1. Whether you are a developer testing it out or just an iPhone enthusiast, there's a lot to be excited about. Let me know in the comment below what feature you are most interested in trying. Did I miss anything interesting you spotted in the beta? If you are a developer, share your experience with the beta so far. And of course, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on all the things iOS 18. Thanks for watching.